Welcome back to Forge It, guys. This week we're going to go ahead and work on a new anvil stand. So far I've been using this section of tree. It's done great for getting started. Big concern is it's too short, so we need to get the anvil up a little bit so I'm in a more comfortable hammering position. So let's go ahead and get moving. Okay guys, just to give you a little bit of background on what we're about to do. To figure out the height of your anvil, you want to stand next to the anvil, you want to make a fist, and ideally you want the top of the anvil to be right there at that height. So as you can see looking at the anvil, I'm quite a bit lower than what I need to be here. So I've already gone ahead and taken a bunch of measurements here. I've gone ahead and set up a stop block for the chop saw to go ahead and get the same cut repetitively for the pieces that we're going to cut here. Obviously important because we want both sides, top and bottom, of this anvil stand to be level and flat. So I'm going to go ahead and get cutting and then check back with you guys after that. Okay, so we got our 4x4s all cut up. What we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and clamp them all together to get our alignment in groups of 3. We're going to go through and we're going to drill these all out while we got them clamped together. From there, we're going to pull it all apart, get some glue in there, and then the reason why we're drilling these all the way through is we're going to go ahead and use some threaded rod to pinch everything together. So let's go ahead and get moving. Okay, well, we got our 3 sections all glued up and threaded together with the threaded rod and nuts and bolts on each side. I just went ahead and I stacked them all up. I'm going to align them. I'm going to check it with a straight edge just to make sure everything's looking good. From here, we're going to go ahead and clamp everything up and start drilling for our cross threaded rod. And we're going to do it the same way that we had the individual pieces, to where each section has 2 pieces of rod. Same thing coming this way. So we're going to have a total of 6 pieces of threaded rod in on this one, just a little bit further inside so we don't have to worry about drilling through the other threaded rod. Hey guys, sorry for moving for the phone. Camera battery died over here on me. So just to update you guys with the rest of this, I didn't want to stop and come back to it another night, so just want to keep moving on this. Let's see here. So, as you guys can see, we got our holes drilled. We structured adhesive between the layers, just like we did on the side pieces, not counting the middle one, and they're just going to sandwich together. From here, we're just going to go ahead and throw this thing together. Check back in with you once we get this done. Okay guys, well, we got the Anvil stand finished. It's all bolted together, construction adhesive together. I still got to obviously move the Anvil over here to the new stand, get the stand level back here in the dirt, and then from there we can go and use it. I'm going to go ahead and hold off on how to mount the Anvil to the stand. I'm going to make a separate video about that because I'm still thinking about thinking some things through in my head and that kind of thing. So next week's video is going to be about mounting the Anvil to the stand. Depending on how quick this goes, I may come out with like a half-week video, something about that, and then do another full video the next week. We'll see how it turns out. But either way, if you like what you've seen so far, feel free to leave us a like, give us a comment. Feel free to hit that subscribe button if you want to be notified whenever we're posting new content, so you can come back and find us again. See you guys next week.